Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing and with a package that looks to have nail polish on it. But I hope it looks good underneath. Let's see. So these shoes are the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green, and I want to say that they are underrated, and still I'm happy that I did not buy them when they released last year. So I'm gonna start with showing you the shoes. This is what they look like, and everybody say that they are better than expected, which they are. So I like green sneakers. I very rarely use them. So I have these, the pine green, that I like because of the quality. They're really nice, really soft, but they're a bit boring. And then they got released with white here instead, so the white version of the pine green, but I didn't get them, and that sort of irritated me. And now they go for quite a high resale money, like in my size US 12, around $500, 400 plus at least. So I got them, sort of didn't like them, didn't get the white pine green. So when these got released, it felt sort of like buying them just because I couldn't get the white pine green. So that felt wrong. So I didn't get them. And now, a year later, I saw them on sale on a site, of course not in my size. So the Swedish retail price for Air Jordan 1s today is, I paid, for the shoes coming tomorrow, I paid $240, but let's say it's $230 at least. And the retail for these, when they got released in Sweden, 180 euro, and in US $180, so more or less same. Now, a year later, because they got released April 15, 2023. Now they are on sale for $130, but of course not in my size. But that got me thinking about them, because it is a nice shoe. The leather is softer and better than expected, absolutely better than your standard $180 Air Jordan 1 High. And it got some sort of story to it, because it is a retro drop. First time we saw these, I think it was the same Lucky Green. I just realized I think I have driving gloves in the same color. So in 2009 they got released with a pair of Air Jordan 1 Breads as a celebration of the game where the Celtics won over the Bulls. I'm guessing it was in 85. Michael Jordan, yeah, in 85. That was the game where Larry Bird said that that wasn't a human being. That was God disguised as Michael Jordan. So to celebrate that game where Michael Jordan put down 63 points, they released the Air Jordan 1 Bread, the band, and these to celebrate the Celtics in that DMP package. I don't remember the name of that package. Was it just DMP or 60 plus something? But it got released back then. And the shoes today are in much better leather quality than the 2009 pairs. And we haven't seen them since then. So 14 years later, they got released again, and people didn't care at all. At all. Nice quality, so Nike did that right. Not the best quality, absolutely not, but better than expected, better than standard. A retro drop, a shoe that we haven't seen for 14 years, and that is better than the last time we saw it. And the last time we saw it, it was in a package. So this is the first time they got released by themselves. Yeah, so good things. And Lucky Green is a nice color. It's not at all as pine green, I think. Yeah, so pine green is much darker than Lucky Green. I really want the white pine greens. So for $130 on sale, absolutely. But I did not pay $130. I paid them, or I bought them from a reseller, but I paid less than retail. So that's how times are now, and I absolutely love it. So 1 year later, after the shoe is dropped, they are still in stores, still in stock. Buy them on sale for $130, or buy them from a reseller for $160. I think on StockX, the prices are more or less the same. Yeah, more or less the same. And the funny thing is here, I'm pretty sure I did that. I have many times wanted a pair of US 12.5. Yeah, 12.5. Because many shoes are just slightly a bit too narrow for my feet. And I have been told to wear, I have this orthopedic insoles that I should use, but I don't because they don't fit in any shoes. Some of the Air Jordan 1s, I can remove the insole. Here I can that as well. And in some Air Jordan 6, I can remove the insole. So in those shoes, I can wear my orthopedic insoles. But still, it makes the shoes even tighter. So now, when I'm still buying them from a reseller, I chose 12.5 just to try it out with that insole. And here in Europe, I'm going to show you. No, I'm going to show you in the next video. US 12 size European 46. I don't know what it is, but they never have it. The last drop, what were they called? Mint green or something. Yeah, I'm gonna post a video about that tomorrow, or maybe 2 days. They got released in every size except from size US 12. And these many times that I've been wanting to try US 12.5, we don't have that in Europe. We have sometimes 12, more often US 13. That gets a bit too long for me, but 12.5, I have never tried it. I've had thousands of shoes on my feet and never a pair of 12.5. So for that reason, I chose 12.5. And you can check StockX. Since 12.5 are so rare, even more rare than US 12, they're either much more expensive than size 12 or cheaper, like these, because people don't know that size US 12.5 exists. A little bit thick tongue. I like them. I dropped the laces. You get black laces with them as well. There are green laces in them, but I think this time I think I'm going with the black laces. And I now think that they don't fit my driver gloves. But let's try it on with the insole. But you don't care about that at all. And I can't say if they're true to size or not, since this is not my original size, my standard size. So this is it for this video. If you can buy them on sale, which you should be able to, and even be able to buy them on the retail, on StockX and Goat, etc., etc. They are nice. I would say that the videos that I've seen of the shoes, the green part in the rear, were of better leather material than these. These look sort of standard. Yeah. Looks good. That's it. Thanks for watching.